Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy the SafeMoon token on Bitmart exchange. If it's your first time being here, hit that red subscribe button just a tad below the video. I really appreciate that. Hit that like button so this video gets pushed to more and more people. Even if you don't have access to BNB, the SafeMoon token is a great way for investors with USD tethers to trade. In my personal opinion, Bitmart offers some of the best trading opportunities out there because it allows users to transfer their USDT tokens over and buy or sell them as they please on this decentralized exchange platform. However, before we get started, it's important you know, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is in fact for entertainment purposes only. And I'm in no way responsible if you get this process wrong. Or if this process changes, this is just the process I used to buy some SafeMoon on the Bitmart exchange. Now with all that said, let's jump into the video. The first step is to sign up for Bitmart using your email address. All you need to do is click on Get Started right here. Put in your email address, password, and you are good to go. You can see that I've signed up for an account, and I'll leave my link down in the description if you need to sign up for a Bitmart account. From there, we need some USDT. You can either buy some directly in Bitmart. Alternatively, you can transfer USDT, which is USD tether, over from another wallet or exchange. And in this case, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hover over my account here and select deposit. As you can see here, all my assets are showing 0, so I'm going to transfer from my other exchange and we will come back in minutes. So I have successfully transferred some USDT to my account. And when I'm redirected to this page, we can see that I've now got 50 USDT. So I've got some USD tether, and it's time to change it for SafeMoon. So I'm going to go over to this spot button, click standard, and it'll redirect you to this page. It's a bit confusing if you've never seen one of these before, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. So at the top in the right-hand corner here, you're going to type in the search box SafeMoon, and you can see that there's only one trading pair, at least at the time of me filming this video. And that's a SafeMoon to USDT. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this, and that reloads this page, and you can see in the top left-hand corner it says SafeMoon to USDT. It also shows the current trading price here, and that's in USDT. And then it shows you all the buys and sells that have recently gone on in the exchange, basically how much people have spent and how many SafeMoon they have received. So then I go over to this box, and I'm going to select based on the current price it's trading out and the recent purchases that have gone through a price I'm happy with paying. So I go with this one. I click on it, and you can see it fills in my USDT price at the top here. Then I'm gonna decide the amount I want to spend. And in my case, I want to use all my USDT on SafeMoon. So I go ahead and I click 100%. That fills in and shows me how many SafeMoon I'm gonna get for my USDT, and it tells me my total down at the bottom here. Now you can change to the market price if you don't want to set yourself a limit price, but in my case, I'm happy to wait it out. So I go ahead and I use the limit price and I click Buy SafeMoon. So as you can see, my order has been successful, but it's not been executed. Because the price of SafeMoon hasn't actually hit my limit price yet, which is 0.00023. If you have a market price set, then the order will go straight through because of course, it's going at the current market price. In my case, I have to wait a couple of minutes for this all to go through. Okay, so we can see my open orders have disappeared, which means the order has been fulfilled. So I'm going to go click on orders history. And this is where your order will go if you clicked on market and then press buy SafeMoon, or go straight into your order history. And we can see here, a limit price of 4 to 5 USDT, and it's been filled fully. So now I'm going to go back to the top of the page and I'm going to check this out. So I'm going to click on my account here, I'm going to click on assets. And if we come to this page, you'll notice there's no sign of SafeMoon here. What you want to do is you want to click on this total, and it organizes it by highest to lowest, and then you can see as the page refreshes, my SafeMoon appears. And now you can see I've got 19 million SafeMoon in my Bitmart exchange, and that's exactly how you buy SafeMoon using the Bitmart exchange. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a like, and also before you leave this video, let me actually remind you that there are several spots available for this week's free workshop, teaching people the fastest and easiest way to make $100 to even $1,000 a day with crypto, even as a complete beginner. Check it out on the first link below. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.